Hi, my name is Isabella and I'm a senior at the University of Maine at Augusta in the Bachelor's of Applied Science program. So after debating about what I want to do for my future, whether it be a flight attendant, a pilot, or anything else entirely, my mom showed me on TV the broadcast of this new program that was starting up in UMA that fall. It was the Aircraft Maintenance Technician program. So I came here to the hangar and I met Mariah Wilcox, who is the teacher and director of the AMTS program. And it was invigorating. I was like, wow, this is the moment that I'm going to start my future. Being a woman in this career path is also very amazing. I feel like it gives more women and girls a chance to do something they normally thought they maybe couldn't do or was more out of the ordinary. With this program, we can invite more change into the aviation industry and we will be able to grow and thrive.